करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांतिः। योग गणपति मूल मंत्र। ओम हम संगं भगवते नित्ययोगयुक्ताय सच्चिदानन्दरूपिणे विनायकाय नमः। श्री दक्षिणामूर्ति गुरु प्रार्थना। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। स्वामी विवेकानंद प्रार्थना। नमः श्री यतिराजाय विवेकानंद सूरये सच्चित्सुखस्वरूपाय स्वामिने तापहारिणे स्वामिने तापहारिणे। सामरस्य prayer for harmony from Rigveda. Om संरक्षध्वं संवदध्वं संभो मनांसि जानतां देवा भागय्यथा पूर्वे संजानाना उपासते समानो मंत्रः समितिः समानी समानं मनस्सह चित्तमेषां समानं मन्त्रमभिमन्त्रयेवः समानेन वो हविषा जुहोमि समानीव आकुतिः समाना हृदयानि वः समानमस्तु वो मनः यथा वस्तु सहासति। पंचांगम अद्यतन पंचांगम सप्तविंशत्यधिक एकशतोत्तर पंचसहस्रतम कलियुगाब्दः श्री विश्वावसु नाम संवत्सरः उत्तरायणं ग्रीष्म ऋतुः आषाढ़मासः शुक्लपक्षः पंचमी तिथिः मघा नक्षत्रं सिद्धियोगः बालवकरणं इंदुवासरः। टुडे's date 30th June 2025 Monday। तिथेश्च श्रियमाप्नोति वारादायुष्यवर्धनं नक्षत्राद्धरते पापं योगाद्रोगनिवारणं करणात् कार्यसिद्धिश्च पंचाङ्गफलमुत्तमं। सर्वेषां शुभमस्तु।
श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। हरिः ओम। जयति पराशरसूनुः सत्यवती हृदय नंदनो व्यासः यस्य आस्य कमलगलितं वाङ्मयममृतं जगत्पिबति। व्यासाय भवनाशाय श्रीशाय गुणराशये हृद्याय शुद्धविद्याय मध्वाय च नमो नमः। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं शेषं रामानुजं यतिं वायुञ्च मध्वमाचार्यम् आचार्यत्रयमाश्रये। Dignitaries on the dais, my dear students, let us begin the Karma Yoga Shloka Sangraha chanting all together. ध्यान श्लोक। पाराशर्यवचः सरोजममलं गीतार्थगन्धोत्कटं नानाख्यानककेसरं हरिकथा सम्बोधनाबोधिनं लोके सत्य कश्चन षट्पदैरहरः पीयमानं मुदा भूयात् भारतपङ्कजं कलिमलः प्रध्वंसिनः श्रेयसे। अथ श्रीमद्भगवद्गीतासु कर्मयोगश्लोकसङ्ग्रहः। अर्जुन उवाच ध्यायसि चेत् कर्मणस्ते मता बुद्धिर्जनार्दन तत्किं कर्मणि घोरे मां नियोजयसि केशव। श्रीभगवानुवाच न कर्मणामनारम्भात् नैष्कर्म्यं पुरुषोऽश्नुते न च सन्न्यसनादेव सिद्धिं समधिगच्छति। न हि कश्चित् क्षणमपि जातु तिष्ठत्य कर्मकृत् कार्यते ह्यवशः कर्म सर्वः प्रकृतिजैर्गुणैः। कर्मेन्द्रियाणि संयम्य य आस्ते मनसा स्मरन् इन्द्रियार्थान् विमूढात्मा मिथ्याचारः स उच्यते। यस्त्विन्द्रियाणि मनसा नियम्यारभतेऽर्जुन कर्मेन्द्रियैः कर्मयोगम् असक्तः स विशिष्यते। अनुबन्धं क्षयं हिंसाम् अनवेक्ष्य च पौरुषम् मोहादारभ्यते कर्म यत्तत्तामसमुच्यते। यत्तु कामेप्सुना कर्म साहङ्कारेण वा पुनः क्रियते बहुलायासं तद्राजसमुदाहृतं। नियतं सङ्गरहितम् अरागद्वेषतः कृतम् अफलप्रेप्सुना कर्म तत्सात्विकमुच्यते। कर्मण्येवाधिकारस्ते मा फलेषु कदाचन मा कर्मफलहेतुर्भूः मा ते सङ्गोऽस्त्वकर्मणि। किं कर्म किमकर्मेति कवयोऽप्यत्र मोहिताः तत्ते कर्म प्रवक्ष्यामि यज्ञात्वा मोक्ष्यसे शुभात्। कर्मणो ह्यपि बोद्धव्यं बोद्धव्यं च विकर्मणः अकर्मणश्च बोद्धव्यं गहना कर्मणो गतिः। योगस्थः कुरु कर्माणि सङ्गं त्यक्त्वा धनञ्जय सिद्ध्यसिद्ध्यो समो भूत्वा समत्वं योगमुच्यते। बुद्धियुक्तो जहातीह उभे सुकृतदुष्कृते तस्मात् योगाय युज्यस्व योगः कर्मसु कौशलम्। कर्म यः पश्येत् अकर्मणि च कर्म यः स बुद्धिमान् मनुष्येषु स युक्तः कृत्स्नकर्मकृत्। कर्मफलासङ्गं नित्यतृप्तो निराश्रयः कर्मण्यभिप्रवृत्तोऽपि नैव किञ्चित् करोति सः। तस्मादसक्तः सततं कार्यं कर्म समाचर। असक्तो ह्याचरन् कर्म परमाप्नोति पूरुषः। कर्मजं बुद्धियुक्ता हि फलं त्यक्त्वा मनीषिणः जन्मबन्धविनिर्मुक्ताः पदं गच्छन्त्यनामयम्। आपूर्यमाणम् अचलप्रतिष्ठं समुद्रमाप पापः प्रविशन्ति यद्वत् तद्वत्कामायं प्रविशन्ति सर्वे स शान्तिमाप्नोति न कामकामी। ॐ तत्सदिति श्रीमद्भगवद्गीतासु उपनिषत्सु ब्रह्मविद्यायां योगशास्त्रे श्रीकृष्णार्जुनसंवादे कर्मयोगश्लोकसंग्रहः। हरि ओं तत्सत्। श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु। Om. So we are every day gathering here to discuss a shloka from Bhagavad Gita and contemplating on this Bhagavad Gita shloka to adopt in our life. How far it is possible, in what level we are going to implement the preachings of Lord Shri Krishna, that is all left to us. So today we chanted Karma Yoga Shloka Sangraha. There are many important verses, all the 18 verses. They are all important collection from Karma Yoga. What karma we should do? What is karma? How the word karma is used in our daily life? The word karma, the pronouncing that word karma. Even in our Kannada we use this word. Ayyo, idu nan prarabdha karma antivu. Adyav karma adu? See, karma is the word which is used in all languages in different ways. But what is that karma? Karma is attached to the soul. Definitely. The moment we enter into this body, in this form of human body, please remember, karma is for only human life, not for Kuttabilli, Gada. No karma will apply to that life there. Out of 84 lakhs of species, 8.4 million species, only human life has this karma attached to this, and from this only, whatever we do karma, that karma is going to give us the next result. So if we have to take up another janma, then you have to come in human life and do karma. So based on this karma only we are going to get other lives, and in there we are going to take the result of that, all our karma. So decide. You have the right to choose. I'll tell you one beautiful way of choosing. Yes, choosing is in our hand, the karma. It's like we get this beautiful example of karma, how to choose. We can take a honeybee. Honeybee also does it karma by choosing different flowers, and it's going to just absorb the nectar from that. You choose whatever you want. You want to become a honeybee, or you want to become a housefly. Even a housefly also. Where does the housefly sit? Nona. ನೀವು ನೊಣ ಆಗಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತಿರೋ ದುಂಬಿ ಆಗಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತಿರೋ ನೋಡಿ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ. It is in our choice. That is where karma comes into picture. The housefly, it's going to sit on all stinking things, even on dead bodies. Is it not? And it is the choice of that housefly. It won't sit normally on good things. It will go to only attracted to the bad things. And houseflies, they go and sit on only flowers to take the makaranda, and it's going to process it and give it in the form of nectar, madhu. So you decide what you want to do, become. You want to become honeybee, or you want to become a housefly. So this is where the karma, the whole theory of karma is going to decide your next future. Whether you agree, accept it or not, it doesn't matter, it will do its work. No, I don't accept karma. Don't accept. Who is at loss? You are at loss. If you don't accept also, you will see the result. If you accept also, definitely you will see the result. So therefore, karmani akarmayaha pashyeta, akarmani cha karmayaha, sabuddhiman manusheshu, he says Krishna here. So, what is this karma? And you have the right to do only the karma, not to go behind the fruits of the action. Karmanyeva adhikaraste. I am just giving the gist of this. Mapaleshu kadachana. Don't go behind the fruits of the action. Ma karma pala hetur bhuhu. Saying that you are not interested in the fruits of the action, don't become inert also. Don't become inactive also. Mate sangostu akarmani. See, all these are the things. That which gives us awareness to do your prescribed duties. Who has prescribed duties? Yes, we are all here with prescribed duties. But some people are not able to read their prescription only. It's like doctor writing prescription. Doctor writing prescription means, you know very well how many people can read the doctor's prescription. Only doctor can read. And only the next chemist only should read. Nobody else should read the prescription of the doctor. It's like that. We are unable to, some of us, we are unable to read even the prescription. What is our prescribed duties? We have to recognize that. Recognizing that prescription of our duty and following that, that is where the action of karma comes into picture. So that is why it is the technique or the tactics of the individual to read it perfectly, precisely and perfectly, and executing that action, what is prescribed to us, is the goal of our life. So that is where Arjuna was also getting misrouted, or he got confused there. That's why he was running away from the battle. Krishna pulls him back. Come on, he gives that awareness. What is your duty? You have to do it. You cannot run away. What happens if you run away from your duty? Is it not? So that's why recognizing the duty in our life and executing it perfectly is the goal of our life and the essence of this karma yoga. Hari Om Tat Sat.
Sarve bhavantu sukhinah, sarve santu niramaya, sarve bhadrani pashyantu, ma kaschid dukha bhag bhavet. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.